You've been lied to. For years, foreign countries have been flooding United States with cheap steel, crushing American companies and stealing billions of dollars in profits. But something big just happened. Trump's new steel tariffs just flipped the game, and a handful of US stocks are just about to explode in value. Countries like China and Japan have been dumping steel into the United States at rock bottom prices, creating an even playing field because these countries are heavily subsidized by their government, and it has been killing American jobs and putting companies on life support. But not anymore, because President Trump has put a 25% tariff on imported steel and aluminum, and this has changed everything. For these stocks, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and if you play this right, it could transform your portfolio in ways that you never imagined. So let's break down the top stocks set to win big with Trump tariffs. By the way, one of these companies was almost taken over by a foreign buyer last year, but the US government blocked the deal. That move saved the company and may have just created a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity investment for us in 2025. So stay with me. I'll show you the company in just a second. If you are new here, my name is Japheth. Welcome to the channel, and I'm so happy to have you here. Please consider subscribing and help me reach 1,000 subscribers because I need it. First on the list is United States Steel Corporation, ticker symbol X. This company is at the center of the action. It's one of America's oldest and the most important steel producers. And here's the kicker. Last year, a Japanese company tried to buy US steel, but the US government blocked it. Why? On grounds of national security, because if the United States was to go to war with somebody, they need somebody to make steel, and they don't want it to be coming from China. If the government is stepping in to protect it, you know this company plays a vital role in America's future. Now with the tariffs protecting domestic producers, the US steel is in prime position to dominate the market and rake in massive profits. So why it's a buy for me? It has massive growth potential with reduced competition, government protection ensures stability, and modernization investments that will cut costs and boost margins. So it has a market cap of $8 billion, dividend yield of 0.54. It's not very attractive when it comes to dividend yield, but it's free money if you're a shareholder. For the last 12 months, it generated about $16 billion, net income of $384 million, net profit margin TTM 4%, and the shares of this company for the last 5 years are up by 300%. But if you think US steel is a big play, wait until you hear the next stock. This company isn't just making steel, it controls the entire supply chain from raw materials to final production. That kind of control means bigger profits, less risk. Coming at number 2 is Cleveland-Cliffs. This is a beast in the steel world. They are the largest producer of iron ore pellets in North America, which makes them the backbone of US steel industry. What makes this company so special? They've gone from mining company from being a mining company to become a fully integrated steel maker. That means they control their costs, quality from start to finish, not relying on third-party suppliers. This company was also bidding to buy United States Steel Corporation. It has a market cap of $5 billion, dividend yield of 0.54%, free cash flow of $500 million. And why is a buy? It's a vertical integration which reduces costs and increases efficiency. It has a strong balance sheet and smart debt management. It's also perfectly positioned for the rise in infrastructure spending. Coming at number 3 is my favorite company, Nucor Corporation, and this is the largest steel producer in North America. It operates in 3 segments: steel mills, steel products, and raw materials. This company is also a dividend investor's dream with a long history of payouts and consistent growth. And in 2022, they acquired CHI Overhead Doors for about $3 billion, a company that makes garage doors. This company earns a market cap of $30 billion, dividend yield of 1.69%, which is like 2%. Revenue for the last 12 months was $31 billion, net income of $2.5 billion, net profit margins of 10%, one of the most profitable companies in America. Free cash flow of $800 million. And here is why I love Nucor. It's diversified, strong financials, and dividend history. But let's talk about the hidden gem in this list. This company is under the radar, but it's one of the most innovative steel makers in this country. And thanks to its unique production techniques, it could 10x your returns in the next 12 months. Coming in number 4 is Steel Dynamics, ticker symbol STLD. Steel Dynamics is one of the largest domestic steel manufacturers and metal recyclers in the United States, and is known for its low-cost, high-margin steel products. They focus on specialty steels, which commands higher prices and keeps them profitable even when the market slows down. Based in Fort Wayne, Indiana, the company operates in 3 segments: steel operations, metal recycling, and steel fabrication. The company has a market cap of $19 billion, dividend yield of 1.45%, revenue for the last 12 months, TTM, is at $18 billion, net income $2 billion, profit margins, net profit margin TTM 11%. The same, closer to the same number with Nucor. Why do I think it's a buy? Number 1, innovative production techniques that give them an edge. Number 2, low cost operation means higher profit margins. And number 3, they are positioned for growth in an expanding US market. Before we wrap up, there's one company that you need to know about. This company is a leader in aluminum production, or should I call it aluminium, a metal that is becoming increasingly important in everything from electric cars to aerospace. And guess what? They are also set to win big with these tariffs. And number 5 is Alcoa, ticker symbol AA, or you can say double hair. And this is a must watch if you want exposure to aluminum. With tariffs on imported aluminum, Alcoa is likely to see a huge increase in their domestic demand. Funny enough, I used to work for this company when I lived in Indiana when I was new in the country. This company has a market cap of $9 billion, dividend yield of 1.45%. Revenue for the last 12 months is at $11 billion. Net income for the same period, $60 million. Net profit margin, TTM, is down by 4%. Why do I think it's a buy? Number 1, a growing demand for aluminum in EVs and aerospace. Number 2, lean operations and improved margins. Number 3, a great inflation edge as aluminum prices tend to go high with inflation. Let's recap this. United States Steel, Cleveland-Cliffs, Nucor, Steel Dynamics, and Alcoa are my top picks for right now. Each one is positioned to dominate in the post-tariff world with advantages that could drive us some serious growth. If you found this video very helpful, please consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and also drop a comment below and let me know which stock you're most excited about, and I'll be responding to each and every comment. And also, don't forget to watch my other videos.